Hey YouTube stars. Today we're diving deep into the mind-blowing world of artificial intelligence.
This video, which you're seeing right now, is created by an AI. I know what you're thinking. AI creating videos, that's nothing new. That's as normal as brushing your teeth nowadays. But hold on. Let me share a little secret with you. This video wasn't made from a video at all.
Say what?
It was made from a single image. Can you believe it? AI is getting so good, it can practically turn a potato into a Hollywood star. All right, maybe not a potato, but you get my point. So, let's get down to business. I'm about to unveil an incredible tool that will make you feel like a tech wizard. It's called artflow.ai, and it's absolutely free. With Artflow, you can wave your magic wand and transform your static image into a full-fledged, jaw-dropping video. All right, folks, let's kick off this video with some serious avatar awesomeness. First things first, open up your trusty sidekick, Google, and type in Artflow. Once you've found the official website at Artflow, click on that glorious Try Now button. And hey, don't forget to create a free account using your Gmail. We want to make sure you're part of this avatar revolution. Once you are in, go to the Image Studio section on the top. Here's the fun part. You have two fantastic options to choose from. Option 1, you can upload your own picture, making your avatar a spitting image of you. Or, Option 2, buckle up for an adventure as we generate an AI avatar using a unique prompt. With content-type presets, you can quickly whip up stunning portraits, cozy interiors, or breathtaking exteriors. For our avatar, we want those picture-perfect portraits. Now get your creative juices flowing and type anything in the prompt section. To make things interesting, I'm going with an old stoic warrior, straight face looking in front with a real skin color, dark background, wise-looking man. Sounds like a blockbuster, right? Now buckle up and click that flow button to see the AI's artistic genius at work. Voila! We've got ourselves 4 amazing images of our avatar, courtesy of the AI wizardry. But hey, let's not stop there. We're here to create a masterpiece. On the left side menu, find your way to Video Studio. This is where we'll bring our avatar to life. Click on the new video project. Go to the character section and select your AI-generated avatar. It's like assembling your dream team, but way cooler. Here's where the fun customization begins. Adjust your avatar's position, wave goodbye to that plain background, and unleash your imagination. Oh, and don't forget to work your magic with the settings to make your avatar shine brighter than a supernova. We want heads turning when they see your creation. All right, folks, we're almost there. Let's jazz up the dialogue section. You can choose from a range of voices or even upload your own. Ready script and get those creative words flowing. As I always say, a little bit of personality goes a long way. Hey YouTube stars, today we're diving deep into the mind-blowing world of artificial intelligence and how it's shaking up our reality. Buckle up, because it's going to be a wild ride. And finally, we've reached the effect section. It's like adding a cherry on top of your sundae, pure indulgence. Explore the vast collection of effects and sprinkle some magic on your video. Get as wild and creative as you want. After all, we're here to make an impact. Now drumroll, please. It's time for the grand finale. Click on that shiny export button and sit back as the rendering process begins. Grab a cup of coffee, put on your favorite tunes, and watch as your masterpiece comes to life. Remember, folks, the power of creation is in your hands. Let your imagination run wild and embrace the possibilities. Now go ahead, make those avatars shine, and let the world witness your creative genius.
Hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Until then, stay animated.